Today we're going to talk about word searches. So this came about because Brooke Gillespie-Trott noticed this word search when I was scrolling through some of my designs and asked me how to make it. A word search is a really nice way to talk about your book without talking about your book. And because it's interactive, people will spend a lot more time looking at it, which is good for various algorithms. We don't need a video for this, so something static will do. Create a design. We'll do Instagram post. It doesn't really matter so long as it's something you're comfortable with. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors about Canva, maybe get some feedback on your designs, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a cup of tea. The link is just down there. All right, so first of all, we need a background. So I'm going to make a new background because my next book, which I have just seen the cover drafts for, but I can't tell you about, is set at the seaside. So let's have a look. Sky. Let's just use that because that looks like there's a lot of sunshine. And let's just put down sand. See if we can find some sandy foreground for it. That's quite nice. And then I could put my little book here. Right. So next thing we're going to look for is we're going to look in templates. Where's templates gone? Design. Templates. We're going to look for word search. Now you have lots and lots of interesting word searches here that you could use. So just pick one that you like. You can either pick one with the background that you have, or a heart, you know. So I'm going to go for that one because that's free. If you choose something with a crown, you need a Canva Pro subscription. So you go for something that's free. And then you can change this to see the first word you see describes, I don't know, your seaside vibe. Then you pick some words that you like. You just have to go in and change some words. Now, the tricky bit is if there's already words in it, you have to make sure that you change those because otherwise they'll still be there. R, E, and make sure you don't accidentally put a rude word in. Ice cream. Just make a note of your words on a piece of paper so that you don't forget. Ice cream. What else do we have? Paddling. Sand, obviously. Sea. Shells. Okay, so I've got some words there. Sand, paddling, dance, because that's relevant to the book. Shells, holiday, sun cream, ice cream. Any other things that you can think of. Let's get rid of this background here. And oh, I've lost my rather cool background that I had, so let's put another one back in to be of the right sort of color. Bright blue, and then it was white at the top, wasn't it? So we're going to go to there and we're going to gradient, and instead of it being dark blue, we're going to take it to white, and we're going to put it in the top. We're going to do the corners like this, swap them around so that the white is at the top, and then actually that looks better like that. The first word you see, describe your seaside vibe, and let's put my nice little background back in. That was the sand one that I used. And then you can put your book in the corner here and you're good to go. That's all. Then all you have to do is save it and share it on your socials. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's send the sand to the back. And let's remove the highlighting because we don't want to give away what the words are. So you can make them all bold, or you can make them none of them bold. Let's go for none of them bold. Okay. Have another quick check that there's no secret words that you didn't intend to be there. And then all you have to do is save it, and then you can send it out on your socials. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.